Welcome to the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. The final bell has rung and the market is now closed. So let's move on to an audio and video recap with the Investing Happy Hour.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the Investing Podcast. It's Thursday, June 23rd, 2016. This is your Investing Happy Hour. Before we get going, we told you people, if you wanted to promote your business, the best way to do it was to send us free stuff. You guys did that. The Cooper Firm, relentlessly pursuing justice, thecooperfirm.com. Awesome. This is like a real Yeti, people, not the ripoff. I wanted this for myself for Christmas, and it took me like 8 weeks to get one in. I got one in 1 day thanks to the Investing Podcast. So big things happen when you're podcast stars like we are. We actually got 2 of these. We got some mugs from them, some pens, all kinds of great stuff. So thanks to the Cooper Firm. Seriously, this is awesome. If you have anything you want to send to us, slide into our DMs. We'll give you our address, and you can send us stuff. Hats, T-shirts, Yetis. I'd love to see somebody send us an actual Yeti cooler. That's kind of the next stop. So if you have anything you want, send it to us. Lastly, if you tweet a picture of yourself listening to the podcast, screenshot of the podcast, we don't actually want to see you. We're going to send you a koozie. Nothing to it. Make it happen. Investing Happy Hour. Fun day. The market was up a lot on the Brexit vote. Everybody seems to think that Britain is going to remain in the European Union. We wrote a blog post. We're not quite sure. If you're a gambling person, not that anybody would be, you actually could get really good odds this morning on betting against them remaining. So actually, if you actually voted for the Brexit, you could make about $550 for every $100 that you gambled, hypothetically speaking. Not sure that I know anybody that did that, but we're keeping an eye on that. The markets, green, 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 green. Dow was up 129 basis points, so more than 1.25%. Solid day. S&P up 134, NASDAQ up 155, global Dow up 150 or so, oil up almost 2%. So really, really good day again, all driven by kind of that Brexit news. We should know by morning time what exactly is going on, but we'll find out with those vote results pretty soon. So keep an eye out. I think somebody said around 2 a.m. Eastern time. So maybe you guys want to have like a stay-up party. We will not do that. So have fun with that. Micron, one stock that we touched on earlier today, up 10%. Really strong day for Micron, but not quite as strong of a day as Twilio. Now, Twilio IPO'd, was up 90% today. So Twilio, little trivia here. Anybody know what Twilio does? Anybody out in the studio audience of 4? No? All right. This is off Wikipedia. Twilio allows software developers to programmatically make and receive phone calls and send and receive text messages using its web service APIs. So there you go. Finally, programmers can call people. It's going to be insane. They can text too. So apparently Twilio is basically creating friends and contacts for computer programmers. That's what it sounds like they're doing. We've all had phones for years, but to really use a phone, you got to have somebody to talk to on the other end. Twilio, apparently just kind of an IPO that just got released for a company that generates imaginary friends for computer programmers. Pretty awesome, so congrats to Twilio. Big day, ticker TWLO. Bond week next week, folks. Hottest week of the summer. It's going to be insane. We're talking about bonds Monday through Friday. Check it out. Great content coming at you. Hit subscribe. Leave us a 5-star review. We'll read it on the air. Y'all have a great evening. This has been the Investing Podcast, and a special shout out to our live audience out there on Periscope. Thanks for being here.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.